Hi, I am SSG Varaprasad, pursuing MTech Power Electronics in Gokaraju Rangaraj Institute of Engineering and Technology. Now I am going to demonstrate my project, voltage source based STATCOM. And this is the lab model. We have now taking three-phase supply as input to the three transformers of 230 by 30 volts, line to line voltage of 440 volts, line to phase voltage of 230 volts is taking as input to this transformers, and that output voltage of 30 volts is given to the choke coils, and the choke coils are connected to the three legs of the inverter, and the capacitor is connected as across the output. In order to generate pulses for triggering of these MOSFETs, we require triangular wave and sine wave for comparing and generating pulses. So we are using TL082 IC and resistors. By this summation, we can get the triangular wave as output, like this. Amplitude of 2.5 volts, frequency of 2 kHz, and we are taking sine wave from the supply, three-phase supply of 3 volts in order to compare with the triangular wave. So by taking 3 volts sine wave in this way and the triangular wave, by using these two, we can compare by using UA741CN IC, that is for comparator. We can get PWM pulses at the terminal 6. For regulating these devices, we are using DC kits +15 and -15, taking as input of the supply for these ICs. Here we can get 3 pulses, 1, 2, 3, but we require 6 pulses. The rest of the 3 pulses are generated by giving input to the 3 pulses as input to the NOT gate. We can get rest of the 3 pulses. The first 3 pulses are given to the top leg of the inverter, and the rest of the 3 pulses are given to the below MOSFETs, that is lower leg. And we can now we observe the pulses in triangular. Observe the pulses in CRO. I will show you pulses. These are the pulses obtained in my comparator. These pulses are giving for triggering of MOSFETs. MOSFET requires the pulses of 2 kHz frequency. By giving these pulses, the MOSFETs are triggered, and we can observe the output voltage of 47 volts. I get across the capacitor of I get 53 volts as output across the inverter. This is the output I have obtained, approximately 45 to 50 volts, and here it will act as rectifier and as well as inverter. Thank you.